Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to assemble a bench that has multiple types of joinery involved, including a key hutch pass-through tenon, several different types of mortise and tenon joints. So we're going to go through each one of these and just show how the functionality of them works and what it looks like. Okay, so this first joint we're going to put together is called the pass-through key hutch. So what will happen is these will pass through this leg. As you can see, we've got the hole where it passes through. And when it passes through, it slides in to this, and then we have a key that locks it into place. So we're going to take this, we're going to pass it through here. See, it's passed all the way through, seats in nicely here. Now we're going to take this one, come up here. That will lock in there like that. Okay, so this one is a 45-degree mortise and tenon. So you can see we've got a 45-degree mortise cut, and then the tenon is cut 45 degrees. This one I had to notch because my wood is not as deep, so that's why this is notched here. So we're going to put some glue here in the mortise. All right, that's that one. And now we're going to work with the pass-through mortise and tenon for the ends of the legs. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a little bit of this glue. Key, this is what will hold it in place ultimately. Pass this through here. We'll drop this on yet, but this will drop in here and that will lock it into place. So let's go and go to the other end. Okay, so now for this end, for the pass-through mortise and tenon, a little bit of glue in here. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do the tricky joint, the fox wedge joint. And that's where we're going to take these wedges, and in the tenon here we've got a relief cut. So we're going to place these so they're just barely inside here. Then is what will happen when we hammer this in, force that wedge in, making this like a dovetail to keep it from pulling out. So let's put our wedges the rest of the legs. Okay. All right, the tricky part. Set it down without knocking the wedges out. So this is where you read in the instructions, have a friend help you, and you're like, friend? What do you think about having friends? I think we're good. Okay. So now we'll put our retainer clips and then one word on here. Okay. Next is the feet. Now these are done with dowels. We will take our hardwood dowels, take our feet. You can see we got the holes drilled. This will go on here like this. Our dowels here like this. Okay, we're gonna cut these off flush trim. The tape is just to protect the wood. Hit that with the sander and it'll be done. Okay. Yeah, flip it that way. There we go.